How to fix KB5050087 fails to install in Windows 11. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. If that didn't work, scroll down a bit to find Windows Update. If it is already running, right-click and select Restart. If the service is not running, double-click it, pick Automatic under the Startup Type drop-down menu. Click Start, Apply, and OK. Repeat this process for Background Intelligent Transfer Service, bits, and cryptographic services. Open Notepad. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. After your PC restarts and the fix process is complete, attempt to update Windows in a usual way.